So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So let's start the analysis of the market by looking at the SGX first. So if we see the SGX right now, it's a good gap up. So almost like more than 150 points. Right now market is trading very near to the 16,500. Now let's shift our focus on the chart. So अगर हम निफ्टी का चार्ट यहाँ पर अगर अभी देखें तो we can simply see that we were talking about these two levels specifically, that market is consolidating in this range. So 16,400 and 500 were the major resistance that market is facing, right? So अभी market gap up opening होगा तो 16,500 के आसपास ही होता हुआ दिख रहा है. So probably this range will be taken out. तो अगर मार्केट ओपन होकर के गैप अप ओपन होकर के यहाँ तक भी आता है तो दैट विल बी गुड बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट वी कैन सी दैट बिकॉज देयर इज अ गुड ब्रेकआउट हैपनिंग विद द गैप अप, राइट? सो अगर ऐसा कभी गैप अप होता है ब्रेकआउट के साथ, ब्रेकआउट होता है गैप अप के साथ, राइट, सॉरी, सो मार्केट में डेफिनेटली एक बार दिस गैप शुड बी फिल्ड, राइट? ओके, तो अगर ऐसा कुछ गैप डाउन गैप फिल होने के लिए यहाँ पर मार्केट वापस आता है 16,400 के आसपास, सो दैट विल बी अ गुड बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस, राइट? ओके, निफ्टी में अगर हम चार्ट्स में देखें ओआई में, सो स्पेसिफिकली वी हैड अ लास्ट सेशन एज अ लॉन्ग बिल्डअप, सो दैट मींस थोड़ा बहुत बाइंग तो हुआ है मार्केट में. ओके, नाउ लुकिंग एट दी ओआई चार्ट, सो ऑप्शन चेन में तो 16,300 पे आई थिंक वी हैव क्रिएटेड लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रैडल्स, राइट? ओके, and on the higher side 16,500 probably is immediate resistance, but if you see maximum positions is at 17,000 right now, not so near. So probably the option sellers might be anticipating that market might turn bullish, and we have seen the good addition in put side, so that's might be key. Option sellers are pushing, put sellers are pushing the market up, right? Anyhow, so could be a sign that okay, market is turning out to be bullish, right, from here. Now coming back to the bank nifty. Okay, so bank nifty has already given the breakout from here, as we have discussed that 35,000 was a immediate level that we were looking for. Now it gave a breakout and it's sustained above that also. Now simply we can see 36,000 is working as a resistance, even if market likely to open with a gap up, so it will easily break that. So bank nifty is also looking bullish from here. So any dip towards these levels like 35,000 could be a good buying opportunity, or probably 35,500 could be a good buying opportunity. So these two levels are the lower side, right? If we check bank nifty here, तो अगर हम बैंक निफ्टी को यहाँ पर देखें, सो ओआई में ज्यादा स्पेसिफिक लेवल्स का इंक्रीज हुआ नहीं है. सो very low levels according to the previous that we had in the March. You can simply see that the bars are very small. Now if we check bank nifty here, okay, so again we love playing straddles on weekly expiries. So 35,500 was the one of the strike price that people have created a lot of straddles, right? Seems like, and 35,000 is a good support. On the higher side we can see 36,000. if that has been taken out, so this is the highest call, I think. Yes, that's the highest call. तो अगर ये breakout करता है तो 36,500 and 37,000 we can easily anticipate on the higher side. So bank nifty turning out to be bullish simply, and nifty looks like being bullish, right? Okay, but we need to wait at least like how market behaves once market is opens. Okay, let's quickly see the contribution. So last week, if we see from the last week, like Monday, so we had a very small change on this side. So private bank has added a good contribution. You can simply see that. That's why bank nifty moved up. Okay, and PSU banks are also on the positive side a bit. So banking sectors and NBFCs are actually contributing on the positive side. Rest IT metals are not contributing at all, right? Oil is on the negative side. So probably that is the reason that nifty is not moving, bank nifty is just going up, right? Because these three sectors are actually performing, right? So that is the thing. Okay, now simply we just need to find some stocks, so we can simply go and check the trap indicator. So one stock we'll find from the trap indicator, anything from the buying side. So we have a Hero Motocorp, looks like on the buying side. Okay, so if we just simply check, so Hero Motocorp looks bullish, right? Mostly we have a green in this, and if we just simply go and check OI, so no specific additions on higher calls options. So 2,800 is due on the higher side. So not so great activity happening on the options, but still the stock looks bullish. So 2800, 2900 could be anticipated level, right? Hero MotoCorp. Okay, so the stock has already given a breakout. So any dip probably towards 2650 could be good buying opportunity. Any breakout above 2750 could be good buying opportunity, right? So stock looks good, right? So could be a data is suggesting that this looks good, and from here the trap indicator is also indicating that that's a buying call. But we need to be very specific before taking the trades. It should not be like very naked on the future trades. Okay, we need to be trading it very specifically. Okay, that's the thing. Now second stock could be, so create some strategies, different strategies, right? Okay, so that you know your limited risk strategies there. Okay, now simply go and check one another stock. So we're just trying to find some stocks on the bullish side only. Okay, so Hindustan Unilever, we have already discussed that stock is bullish, right? Even the Bata India looks, Ashok Leyland looks good, so we can check Ashok Leyland. So auto stocks are looking good from here. So yes, Ashok Leyland looks good. So that's a breakout, and the stock took a dip and then again looks good. So Ashok Leyland looks fine here. So mostly bullish side. There's a dip and then again buying. So that's good. Ashok Leyland, we can simply see that. So 140 was the highest call option. The stock is already broke up. So probably anticipated level on the high side could be 150, and 135 could be good support in this. So Hero MotoCorp and Ashok Leyland looks good on the stocks, right? Okay. If we see no stock trading in the ban list, right? So okay, so that's all. I'll just summarize the whole process that we are looking at. The Nifty is opening with the gap up, so 16,500. If any dip comes towards like 16,400, could be good buying opportunity. Bank Nifty on the higher side is 36,000, taking a resistance. If that market again take a dip, so that's a good buying opportunity. Mostly addition movement happening because of the private banks. Okay, and PSU banks are performing and NBFCs are performing. So Bank Nifty looks good from here, but we need to wait, at least get some sign for Nifty, right? And third thing, the Ashok Leyland looks positive on the charts. Okay, and second stock is Hero MotoCorp. No stock is trading in a ban list as of now, so that's okay. Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.